Hi, my name is Yael Keon and I'm an online marketing strategist and consultant at yaelkeon.com. And as a marketer for over 15 years, and after some bad experiences, I must admit I had some doubts when it came to the SEO industry and if page ranking was really even possible unless you were a big name. It all just seemed a bit hard, and there are a lot of other ways to market your business. But then I discovered Kate Toon's content and she made it seem really, really doable. So despite my doubts and negative experiences, I signed up for the Recipe for SEO Success. It did not disappoint. The lessons were so easy to understand, even the tech stuff. The program is really comprehensive and goes into a lot of detail, but it's still really manageable as well. While the work is still in progress for my business and for a few clients, I have already had some wins and they are really keeping me motivated. Really, for any small business out there wanting to improve their SEO rankings, I really recommend this course. And for other industry experts like me, it is almost a must-have, not only for your own business, but for your clients as well. It has honestly been the best course that I have invested in so far, and I am really looking forward to getting better and better results in my Google rankings as a result of it.